this part. You ain't gotta say a word, just walk that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up 100 fucking blunts, all up in my mouth, now I'm all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it, all up in his truck. Now we both look Asian, he waving and I'm drunk. I got dank shit in my cup, you know what I'ma do to you. I could give reviews to you, slow, we X and be sipping on that juice. That's just what she choose to do. Slow, we come fast, speeding up the heartbeat, banging in my chest. When you put it on me, you relieve my stress. You got me so high, taking deep breaths. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high. You get me so high, you get me so high.
POV.
I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I had a boy's tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move too quick, that's true, I would think it's my reflection. Being cold, shit isn't close enough. Who could tell every time we touch, every time we up? Wish you could feel me, cute apartment. One bedroom, right where your heart is. In space, feels broken hearted. Cross the bed, feel way too foreign. Wonder when they see just one, do they see us too? Ooh, I just wanna melt into you. I'm melting to you. Just wanna melt into you. Melt into you. Melt into you. Imagine you ready for your entire up and down. Open your legs so you can spit it out your mouth. Inhale, exhale, breathe in. With every breath I'm sinking in. No way to describe it, I'm a riot. If I wake up and I'm somehow beside you, instead of inside you, this shouldn't surprise you. You don't even notice, don't need to remind you. Wish you could feel me, cute apartment. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each place feels broken hearted. Cross the bed feels way too far. I wonder when they see just one, do they see us through? When I'm melting to you, I'm melting to you. When I'm melting to you, I'm melting to you. I'm melting to you. Where do you end? Where do I begin? Start over again. Feel like melting, melting. Where do you end? Where do I begin? Start over again. Feels like I'm melting, melting.
Hey, Century.
There are times when I look above and beyond. There are times when I feel your love around me, baby. I'll never forget my baby. When I feel that I don't belong, draw my strength from the words when you said, hey, it's about you, baby. Look deeper inside you, baby. Dream about us together see. I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me. Smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me. I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time, thinking about the things that we did. You did something, shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. When no one else around. Got me taking a step on the wrong side, cutting all ties with the other guys. Where you look in my eyes, loving me nice and slow. You made me wanna go, call it up to, just to put it down on you. You made me wanna play all of those things that you made me with. You made me wanna go, call it up to, just to put it down on you. You made me wanna play all of those things that you made me with.
Before I put out the car, and the only thing that's coming inside me at the situation is you waiting to get some more. I told you I'ma take your place, I seen it in your face, and I knew that you would say it. So why you wanna play this? You got somebody out in this predicament. Don't trip, creep the screen, that's just what you're dealing with. Caught up in zone, just to put it down on you. You made me wanna feel.
Hi you guys, now I'm drinking my green tea as you saw while I was making it in the kitchen. My cup must fall machine. It's a shiz in it. Got that because it's full of the fika. Unokuba ayenze nganisho ukuthi ligama because yokona call me by it, so no. So yeah, you guys, I was just updating you. Look, I'm drinking my tea now, my green tea, and then EKK Pumila stuffing as you saw. It came out so pretty, you guys. It's so nice, so yummy. Clock it. So now I'm gonna go take a shower. After this tea, I'm going to take a shower. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. Maybe I'm gonna come in today and talk to you all. I was here at Olutule Primary School for my sister's meeting. Yo, she's in grade 7. And bazositshela ngama-farewell and ukuthi silindeleni since unyaka uqala. So yeah, so now we're going home. Yo, kuyashisa la eDurban ngeke phela. Now say hi to my vlog. Hi guys.